crab in hot sauce. It's a nice, delicious preparation. This is the preparation that I would love to make it. It's really delicious. At least once a week, I love to have it. And you too will like it. Come, we'll all get together and prepare this crab preparation. Crab in hot sauce. Once you make the crab in hot sauce, you will love it. You really will like it, and you can always say, oh, it's so delicious and very nice. So, we are going to prepare this now. Come, get together and we'll prepare. I have taken the crabs, turmeric into this, pepper, salt, mix it nicely. After mixing it nicely, we are going to stir fry this. I didn't put the oil yet, raw meat, so we'll see whether the water is coming out from that. These are sea crabs. These sea crabs have calcium. Lot of people don't know about the sea crabs. Like there are two kinds of crab. One is, we call it as lagoon crab, and the other one is sea crabs. Which is the best? Sea crabs. Sea crabs you can give for your children, nothing will happen, and they won't get any allergy. No allergy comes when you use this, right? No, you won't get rashes and all that. This is sea crabs. While I am stir frying, now the fish inside this, the meat inside this will get cooked in no time. Stir fry. Now I will put onions cut into large pieces, garlic, curry leaves immediately. I have to just break it into two, otherwise the flavor doesn't come. So curry leaves, just break it and put. I have got 1.5 cups of stock. I'll put half a cup stock here. Balanced stock I'll put it here. Once I put the stock here, half I have kept it, we'll put later. Soy sauce. I'm going to use the soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Oyster sauce is very important. All seafood we can use oyster sauce. Lot of people used to ask me for what we use oyster sauce. Oyster sauce is more suitable only for seafood. Chili sauce. 1 tablespoon of chili paste also I put. Pepper and chili powder. Pepper I put earlier, chili powder little. 1.5 teaspoons corn flour. Waiting till this nicely get cooked, and last of all the balanced stock I put 1 cup into that earlier. Now half a cup with 1.5 teaspoon of corn flour. We'll use the celery lastly. Now this is ready for us. We will dish it out. Oh, the crab itself. Now I feel like eating now itself with the plain rice. With plain rice. Crab, hot sauce. I think it's delicious. See the crab with hot sauce. It is delicious. And now itself I feel hungry. And what about you? You also will be hungry when you look at it. And please try it out and see how it comes, because I need your comments very badly. Then only I will also be happy to make more and more nice dishes for you. So please try it out and then comment on it so that it will be nice for us to see. This is the preparation that I have done. And lastly, what did I put? Celery. I want to tell something about celery before I finish off. This celery leaves I have used into the preparation. That is, when you make a dish, you put the celery. Soups, we use celery. And fish preparation, we can use celery. But you can't use celery for everything, like, not for meat curries and all that. Meat preparations you don't put. So celery can go this type of preparation. or with the soup, mainly the leaves. The stem, this stem, this is the thick stem. When you get the celery, the stem is very big and you find the leaves. We take all the leaves and we throw this. Lot of people throw this, but some know about it. Every person who gets this celery, what you have to do is you dip it in white sauce or mayonnaise sauce, anything, and best part of it is this. You won't get cholesterol. You won't get cholesterol. Remember that. It's cholesterol. Those who have cholesterol or those who don't want to get cholesterol at all, you can have this. Once a week, you can have this celery stick for the whole family. Just put it in any sauce you like. It can be white sauce, it can be mayonnaise sauce, it can be only pepper and salt, and you can have this. So it's very good for all of us. It's a healthy thing. This type of preparation you are going to serve with plain rice or any kinds of rotis, you can serve this. Health is wealth, so you can have these type of preparations. Now you know crab you can eat, celery stick you can eat. So prepare all these different type of preparation and enjoy your life, and of course you will be happy. After getting sickness, we have to keep on having all sorts of medicines. This, without medicine, you can live happily. And try it out and see. Next episode, with another episode, I will come very soon. And wait for me. Thank you. Bye from me now.